Good morning, automotive enthusiasts. Whether you're sipping your morning brew or catching up during your commute, you're tuned into Auto Intelligence. I'm Steve.
And I'm Claire, and we're excited to bring you today's industry insights. We're part of the Auto Agentic team, and today we're tackling something that's transforming every aspect of the automotive industry, the convergence of generative AI and agentic AI.
You know, Claire, I was looking at the numbers this morning, and they're staggering. We're tracking significant market growth from approximately $4 billion in 2024 to $48.59 billion by 2034, with a compound annual growth rate of 29.6%. That's not just growth, that's a complete industry reinvention.
And what fascinates me, Steve, is how this isn't some far-off future we're talking about. It's happening right now in 2025. Just last week, I read about a dealer principal who's seeing a 26% increase in lead-to-sale conversion through AI-powered customer profiling.
That's exactly what makes this topic so exciting. Should we break down what we're covering today?
Absolutely. Today's deep dive includes current implementations revolutionizing the industry, near-term impacts through 2030, and long-term transformations reaching into 2035. Plus, we've got some fascinating real-world case studies that show exactly how AI is reshaping automotive retail.
Let's start with what's happening right now in manufacturing, Claire. Toyota's been making waves with their AI-driven manufacturing processes.
The numbers there are incredible. They've reduced manufacturing lead times by 28 to 35% across their global plants, with new facilities reaching full production readiness 4 to 6 months faster than previous generation facilities.
Walk us through that. How exactly is AI transforming Toyota's production process?
Picture this. AI systems analyze over 10,000 data points per vehicle from embedded sensors, enabling defect identification 6 to 8 weeks before failure in critical components. It's revolutionizing how we think about quality control.
And this isn't just about spotting problems, right? The AI is actively preventing issues?
Exactly. Their predictive maintenance systems are reducing unplanned downtime by 33%, while extending machinery lifespan by 18%. But here's what's really exciting. Mercedes-Benz has taken this tech in a different direction.
You're talking about their enhanced AI integration?
Yes, they've expanded ChatGPT integration across multiple vehicle lines, including the 2025 S-Class, C-Class, E-Class sedans, and EQ electric vehicle lineup. They're seeing significant improvements in customer interaction and vehicle functionality.
Tell our listeners about the predictive maintenance aspect. This is where it gets really practical.
Right, these systems now anticipate potential issues before they become problems. AI virtual assistants achieve 94% satisfaction rates in customer interactions, while predictive maintenance alerts drive 41% higher service department retention.
You know what really catches my attention? The quality control transformations. Leading manufacturers are achieving remarkable results with AI inspection systems.
The precision is remarkable. AI-powered quality control systems achieve over 90% accuracy in defect detection. This has led to substantial cost savings through reduced recalls and improved first-pass quality rates.
And this is where agentic AI comes into play, right? The system isn't just identifying problems, it's making decisions.
Exactly. When the AI spots a potential issue, it can adjust production line parameters in real time. We're seeing a 30% reduction in production line downtime through these automated interventions.
Speaking of real-time adjustments, the supply chain innovations we're seeing in 2025 are equally impressive. Claire, you recently discovered AI use in a major OEM's logistics center, right?
Yes, and it was mind-blowing, Steve. Industry analysts project 15% or greater reductions in logistics and inventory carrying costs through AI-driven optimization. But here's what's really fascinating. The system is actually learning from global events.
Give us some specifics. How significant are the improvements?
The data is compelling. AI systems will be managing 75% of supply chain decisions without human intervention by 2030, with current implementations already showing 35% reduction in supply chain costs while improving delivery reliability by 40%.
Speaking of agentic AI, you're listening to Auto Intelligence, sponsored by Auto Agentic, the pioneering agentic AI platform transforming automotive retail. As the industry's most human-centric AI company, they're helping dealerships boost efficiency and customer satisfaction through intelligent agentic AI solutions that enhance human expertise rather than replacing it.
And speaking of dealership transformation, let's shift gears and talk about what's happening at the retail level. This is where rubber meets the road for our industry. The transformation at dealerships is remarkable. AI system implementation costs range from $50,000 to $150,000 for dealerships, achieving 15 to 20% revenue increases within the first year.
Break it down for us. What's changing in the showroom?
First, let's look at the verified numbers. Dealerships using advanced AI tools are seeing 26% increase in lead-to-sale conversion through AI-powered customer profiling, and 27% higher showroom appointment rates from AI-driven engagement systems.
And these aren't just vanity metrics. They're translating to real revenue growth.
Exactly, but what's really interesting is how AI is personalizing the entire experience. Virtual AI assistants achieve 94% satisfaction rates in customer interactions, while predictive maintenance alerts drive 41% higher service department retention.
Let's dig deeper into the customer experience aspect. The AI integrations we're seeing are revolutionizing how people interact with their vehicles.
Absolutely. BMW's latest innovation really showcases where we're heading. Their AI experience coordinator technology is achieving remarkable results.
Tell our listeners how that works. It's fascinating stuff.
Their system combines predictive maintenance optimization with context-aware autonomous features. We're seeing a 32% reduction in unscheduled service visits and an 18% decrease in perceived commute stress. The AI even adapts acceleration and braking profiles based on real-time weather data and driver fatigue detection.
And it's using this data to make proactive adjustments?
Exactly. Their adaptive voice controls are showing 41% faster task completion compared to 2024 models, and the AI is optimizing energy use in electric vehicles to extend range by up to 12% under typical conditions.
Now, this is where things get really exciting, Claire. Let's look ahead to what's coming between 2026 and 2030. The changes we're seeing now are just the foundation, aren't they?
Absolutely. By 2028, we're looking at what industry insiders are calling cognitive manufacturing. The global AI in manufacturing market is projected to grow at 45.4% CAGR, reaching $20.8 billion by 2028.
Paint that picture for our listeners. What does a cognitive factory actually look like?
Picture this, 60% of major US automotive manufacturers are already using AI for predictive maintenance and production optimization. Early adopters are reporting 38% average profit margin increases from these AI implementations.
And this is where the fusion of generative AI and agentic AI becomes crucial, right?
Exactly. By 2025, 60% of new automotive product designs will incorporate generative AI for concept creation, enabling first-pass optimization. We're seeing hybrid deployment models, with 57% of manufacturers using on-premises AI systems for security and compliance, while 43% leverage cloud solutions for scalability.
Let's talk about how this transforms the sales process. The virtual showroom predictions are particularly interesting.
Absolutely. Dealerships are seeing dramatic improvements through AI-powered virtual showrooms. These systems are reducing physical inventory costs by an average of 18%, while enabling 63% faster purchase decisions through AR/VR environments.
We're talking about a complete transformation of the buying experience, aren't we?
Exactly. Natural language processing tools are achieving 88% accuracy in analyzing customer sentiment across emails, calls, and reviews to flag at-risk transactions. The system is continuously learning from every interaction.
The supply chain implications are equally dramatic. What are we expecting to see by 2030?
This is fascinating. Predictive analytics are enabling parts demand forecasting 12 months in advance with 92% accuracy. But here's what's really impressive. These systems are expected to reduce supply chain costs by 35% while improving delivery reliability by 40%.
Let's dive into some specific manufacturing innovations we're expecting to see by 2030. The quality control predictions are remarkable.
They truly are, Steve. AI-powered quality control systems are already achieving over 90% accuracy in defect detection, and this is just the beginning.
Zero defects? That sounds ambitious.
But achievable. Through a combination of quantum computing-powered predictive analytics and AI-driven assembly line orchestration, manufacturers are seeing a 30% reduction in production line downtime.
Now we're entering truly transformative territory, Claire. The changes from 2031 to 2035 aren't just evolutionary, they're revolutionary.
Absolutely. The Edison Electric Institute projects 72% of US light-duty vehicle sales will be electric by 2035. But what's really fascinating is how AI is reshaping the very concept of what a car is.
The manufacturing landscape is going to be unrecognizable, isn't it?
Completely. Early adopters of AI manufacturing systems are already reporting 38% average profit margin increases. By 2033, these systems will be designing their own production improvements and managing entire supply chains autonomously.
These transformations require significant investment. Let's break down the numbers for our listeners. What's the real ROI looking like?
The data is compelling. AI system implementation costs range from $50,000 to $150,000 for dealerships, achieving 15 to 20% revenue increases within the first year. We're seeing customer retention improvement of 35% and marketing efficiency increase of 40%.
As we look toward 2035, what are the key takeaways for our listeners?
The future is clearly AI-driven, but success depends on smart implementation. Companies should focus on strategic investment, starting with high-impact, low-risk areas. The automotive sector's focus on AI aligns with broader industry trends, where 70% of manufacturers plan AI adoption within 5 years.
This has been an incredible deep dive into the future of automotive AI. Claire, any final thoughts for our listeners?
The key message is clear. AI isn't just changing the automotive industry, it's redefining it. But success lies in how we implement these technologies while keeping the human element central to everything we do.
And that's exactly what we focus on at Auto Agentic. We're pioneering AI-driven solutions that empower dealership teams rather than replace them.
That's right. Auto Agentic is revolutionizing automotive retail through intelligent, adaptive solutions that streamline operations and enhance customer experience. We're recognized as the most human AI company in the automotive space.
If you're interested in learning more about how we're revolutionizing automotive retail while maintaining that crucial human touch, visit us at autoagentic.ai.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Auto Intelligence. We drop new episodes every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Check us out wherever you get your podcasts.
This has been Auto Intelligence, produced by the team at Auto Agentic, the AI platform built to enhance your team's abilities, not replace them. I'm Steve.
And I'm Claire. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the future of automotive AI.